Alright, in the last video we left off creating the structure for the cross slide here in millimeters. We have some fillets, center marks, and then we'll dimension this. Fillets, radius of 2, we have quite a few of them. R, enter, 2, enter. How about fillets first? R, enter, 2, enter. I don't know if there's a better view to start with. We'll just start here on the front, and we'll take that one, we'll stretch it back out, we'll fill it, we'll stretch it again, we'll do this a couple times, we'll fill it again, and we got one more here in the front view, and we'll stretch it back out. All right. Got my fillets here in the front view. Let's go to the right side view. Right back to my fillet tool. Enter a spacebar on your keyboard. We'll activate that. Now we're back to stretching. Let's make this all one line. Nope, we're not trimming. Fillet. Enter. And we'll get the ones here on the rib. The combination of stretching. Alright, that should take care of the right side view. To the top. Most often missed is the fillet here underneath the rib. That is this one. In this area right here. So let's get to it. Fill it again. Same radius. Stretch this one back out. There's the end point. Do it again. And stretch it back out. And we got to do it to the other side. Fill it again. That goes this direction. Sorry, wrong one. I got the right one on that side. All right, let's try that one. Then we'll put one more in. Okay. So that takes care of that. No fillets here on this edge is being shown, but we do have fillets in all four corners. Right back to my fillet tool. Outside actually rounds. Using your fillet tool, you should not have to stretch here. Okay. That should take care of your fillets. Got them on the bottoms of the rib. We got them on the inside of the rib. That should take care of your fillets. Now let's put a center mark in. Got our hidden lines. We do need a note for rounds and fillets. In all capital letters. Or a radius of 2. Okay, dimensions. Don't dimension to the fillets. Length, width. So again, make sure you pick the edges. And distance to the center, 68. All right, base material thickness, 25. The dovetail cut, 18. You want to do the gap in between. I prefer the symmetry. We now need to know that it's 12 millimeters up. Okay, we need the width of the rib. Top view would be okay. Right side view would be okay. For the angled rib, just choose which side you want to do. Or you want to do it here. I do need to know that it is in the center. So I do need another dimension here. Okay, there's that 30. 30 and 10 minus the 70. get me lined up here. Okay. Now the other rib. The only option here is the front view, because this is two hidden lines. I would dimension this one on the object. We're not draw the line, we need a dimension. We do need to know that its location, left to right. Now draw the line again. Linear dimension. Okay. That's going to be our best bet, because we don't want dimension here in the top view. Not real good, but our other options aren't very good. Is that it for linear dimensions? I do believe so. Actually, we can take this off. We can get a dimension of 50. Man, did it again. We can get a dimension of 50. And then a dimension of 5. That'd be much cleaner. Uh-oh. That's not good. What do we got over here? There we go. All right, 5 and 10. That now takes care of the fact that we are not assuming that that is in the center. That's much better. Okay, key seat is going to be done with a note. We have not generated this note by ourselves yet. I can create a leader line. There it is. I want to point to one of the corners on the key seat. The shoulders being created, we are going to type in this key seat information. It is 6 by 3, and it is a key seat. Now that you have this generated, you can position this, you can move this around as needed. Okay, the format for metric is not following along. Why not? Why is my leader not following along? Let's take a look at it. Font size is off, everything's off. Error symbols closed. Text is 2.5. ISO standard. That did not change that either. Why is that not doing what we want to do? I think I got it. All right. Leader. Still not following along. 6 by 3. Text size we can change. But why isn't it following along? All right, leave it. All right, there's my key seat note. Font size change with the leader. You do have your inner and outer diameter, 16 and 23. Not too complicated there. We do have an angle of 60 degrees. cannot assume that that is equal on both sides. All right, we got the rib. We do need the position of, or the length of the cylinder. Dimension of 50. That we are 12 in from the side. That's down here. My bad. It's over here. That is 10. There's the distance in from the side. Okay. Just double checking. Oh, 60 degrees for the dovetail. 60 degrees for the dovetail. That should fit in there. It does. Okay, now we got everything. 45, 50. Got it. 100 overall length. Distance to the center. 50 wide. 12. You could do 34 instead of 18. That would be fine. We got a note for rounds and fillets. Okay. And there is a dimension drawing for the cross slide in millimeters. Bring that in a little closer. So that should do it.